Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refer a friend on Bet365 and claim your bonus. First, open the Bet365 app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in home screen, look for the menu or promotion section. Tap on promotions. Now scroll until you see refer a friend. Tap on it to open the referral page. Here you will see your personal referral link. Like, it's very important. Tap share link. You can send it by text message, WhatsApp, email, or any social app on your phone. Next, your phone must be updated and your friend must have to tap your link, create a new Bet365 account, and follow the bonus rules shown on the screen. Your friend must place qualifying bet using real money. This step is required. Once your friend completes the requirement, you will get your bonus. Your friend will also receive a bonus. To check your bonus, go to the menu, then tap my account and tap bonus or wallet. Your bonus will appear there once approved. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.